class, today we're going to talk about multiplying fractions. I'm in your binder on page 6 in our fractions notes. So let's first talk about how we turn a mixed number into an improper fraction. And we talked about this when we were doing our fraction decimal percent unit, so it's nothing new. Remember, we draw the magic C. So we draw the C, we multiply on the bottom, and we add on the top. So if we were to solve this problem, we draw the magic C, we multiply the denominator by the whole number. So we're going to do 4 times 7, so you can fill this in on your notes. Then you add the numerator, so we're going to add 1, and we keep the same denominator. So this denominator is going to be 4. Then we solve all the numbers across the top. 4 times 7 gives you 28, plus 1 gives you 29. So my numerator is going to be 29, and my denominator stays the same, so it's over 4. 29 over 4. You try the next 4 right below. Pause the video, and when you're ready, unpause the video so that you can check your work. So go ahead, you can check your work to see if you got your answers right. If you need to, watch the replay of how I did the problem up here if you need help so you can answer the bottom ones correctly. Let's now look at the bottom of this page and learn how to multiply fractions. So, the first question we need to ask ourselves is, are there mixed numbers? Now, in this problem that we're looking at over here, there are mixed numbers. This 4 1/5, there's a whole number out in front, so I need to convert it to an improper fraction. So I'm going to do the magic C. Remember, I multiply on the bottom, I add on the top. When I do that, I get 2/3, and keep the 2/3, times, remember the dot means multiply. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 more gives me 21 over 5. Okay, so that's just our problem. And I'm going to rewrite it down in this space down here so you can see how we're going to set it up. So we have 2/3 times 21 over 5. So it says set the fractions side by side, which is what we did. Multiply the numerators. So we're going across the top and we're going to multiply the two numerators together. When we do that, we get 42. So 2 times 21 is 42. Then we multiply the denominators, which is 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. So we now have 42 over 15. Because we have this numerator that is larger than our denominator, we need to use our skills from the day before, and we need to convert this back into a mixed number. So we are going to use our calculator or use our brain. You can do 42 divided by 15, or you can think how many times does 15 go into 42 without going over. If you use your calculator, you find that you have a decimal of 2 point something, so our whole number is going to be 2 with some leftovers because we have some decimal. Our denominator is going to stay 15. If I do 15 times 2, that gives me 30. I need how many more to get to 42? Well, I need 12 more. Then I ask myself, can I simplify my fraction? Well, they're not both even, but I can divide them both by 3. So if I do that, remember to keep your whole number. 12 divided by 3 gives you 4, and 15 divided by 3 gives you 5. So I have 2 4/5 for my final answer because 4/5 does not simplify anymore. So if you need to replay this part of the video, whenever you're ready, look at page 7 and see if you can solve these 6 problems. Once you're done with these 6 problems, you can check them on the key online, and then you can continue with the rest of the notes up to page 9. So you can finish off page 9, and once you get there, you are done with your lesson for today. Thank you and have a great day.